Namaskar viewers, welcome to this session of Automobile Transmission System. In this video, we are going to discuss the introduction, necessity, function and requirement along with the operating method of automotive clutch. A clutch is a mechanism used to connect and disconnect the driving and the driven member. In automobile, the driving member is the engine and the driven member is our gearbox or transmission. In automobile, the clutch assembly is located between the engine and the transmission. In a vehicle with a manual gearbox, the driver pushes down the clutch when changing gear, thus disconnecting the engine from gearbox. It allows a temporary neutral position for gear changes and also a gradual way to take up the drive from rest. The driver operates the clutch by pushing down a pedal. This movement has to be transferred to the release mechanism. The two main methods used are cable and hydraulic. The cable method is the most common. A steel cable which run inside a plastic coated steel tube is used on most cars. The cable outermost be fixed at each end. The cable inner transferred the movement. One problem with the cable is the movement of the engine with respect to the vehicle body can cause a length to change. The result in a judder when the clutch is used. The problem has been almost eliminated by careful positioning and quality engine mounting. The clutch cable works on a simple lever principle. The clutch pedal is the first lever. Movement is transferred from the pedal to the second lever, which is the release fork. The fork in turn moves the release bearing to operate the clutch. A hydraulic mechanism involves two cylinders. These are termed the master and slave cylinder. Master cylinder and slave cylinder. The master cylinder is connected to the clutch pedal. The slave cylinder is connected to the release lever. The clutch pedal moves the master cylinder piston. This pushes fluid through a pipe, which in turn forces a piston out of the slave cylinder. The movement ratio can be set by the cylinder diameter and the lever ratio. Necessity of clutch is to transmit power of crankshaft to gearbox, which must be started and stopped very frequently, and deliver power to driven member at partially or full load condition of the engine. The function and requirement of the clutch is to disconnect the engine from the transmission, to permit the engine to remain running when the vehicle is stopped, also to permit the transmission to be shifted, along with to connect and transmit engine torque to the transmission. Also, it helps to dampen and absorb the engine impulses and drivetrain vibration. The most important requirement of clutch in automobile is to provide a smooth engagement and disengagement between the engine and the transmission. Thank you for watching.